Hi there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're creating an abstract watercolour piece that's all about movement, colour and intuitive mark making. We're starting the progress with the gorgeous Daniel Smith Primatek paints, those mineral based pigments that granulate and swirl in the most magical ways. We'll lay down flowing bands of colour, let them mingle, then layer shimmering Winsor Newton gold ink on top. Once everything dries, we'll enhance the shapes with coloured pencils and metallic uniball pens. It's loose, expressive and incredibly satisfying. So I've started off with a big soft brush and loaded it with the juicy wash of Primatek colours, and the pigments have a mind of their own. I've swept the colour across the page. No straight lines, no planning, just letting the brush move across the page. And I've switched the colours up, maybe a deep amethyst, rich jadeite, or a warm sienna next to each other. And I've let each band touch the next so the pigments mingle and create those natural mineral textures that Daniel Smith paints are known for. And I've let that layer dry. And then I've grabbed this smaller brush. Using the same paints, we're going to make over the top. So using the shape of the brush to make some lovely marks. I've let that layer dry again. I've grabbed my beautiful gold ink. This fizzles a lot on the page, so it's really beautiful to look at. And again, using the shape of the brush, I'm just going to add that on. Maybe adding some bands here and there. You can see the lush, how it fizzles there. Beautiful. It really catches the light beautiful. Once you pick up your page and sort of move it, there's a lot of movement going on there. I'm using the shape of the brush to create new forms on top of the watercolour. Some are rounded, some are angular, and some are just sweeps of gold. I'm also adding a few gold bands that echo the movement of the original watercolour strokes that we've already laid down. The contrast between the matte granulation, the Primatek pigments and the shine of the gold ink is just gorgeous. So I'll bring this up to the screen in a minute and you'll see the lovely luminosity of this ink. It's really, really nice. So I'm just finishing off, just adding some little dots here and there, and then I'd still got some ink on my paintbrush, so I just decided that I would sweep the gold bands across the page, making sure that I've utilized each and every part of that gold ink that is on the brush. And then I bring the picture up so you can see it, and I move it around a little bit so you can see how lovely and luminous and shiny it all is. Really, really nice. So now I'm grabbing a few coloured pencils, nothing fancy, just colours that complement the palette. I'm lightly outlining some of the shapes the paint has created. Not all of them, just the ones that I feel need a little bit more enhancement, and also going around those gold marks. Sometimes I follow the edge of the bloom, sometimes I trace the curve of the band, sometimes I just add a little bit of cross-hatching across or some shading to deepen an area. The pencils add structure without overpowering the softness of the watercolour. They help certain shapes emerge from the abstract. So it's just about enhancing the marks that we've already put down, maybe just adding this additional shading and layering on top. So what you might want to do is stand away from your picture, do a little bit of squinting, see where it's missing some colours or some shapes, and just add with your pencil on top. So it's just a layering process, this picture. We've added our watercolour, we've added our ink, and now we're adding our pencil just for a little bit of enhancement. Pencils I'm using today are Prismacolor, but you could use any pencils. They don't have to be the same pencils that I'm using. It's just about a little bit of shading here and there and just that little bit of enhancement. So I'm just following what I've already got down here, the gold marks, and just circling around it. So using the shapes that I've already got just to enhance with this pencil here. I hope you like this. I hope you get to try. If you like this, please consider liking, subscribing and hyping this video. That will tell YouTube that you like it and will push it out to more people. If you like this kind of art, I have got a members page and there's a join button below. If you have a look in there, you could be a supporter or a super supporter. Being a super supporter means that you get videos first and you also get members only videos. So take a look if you like this kind of art. So I'm just going over the top of the gold band here, adding this lovely lush purple colour on there. I love the way that pencils feel under your hand. You know, when you're just using it and it just feels so soft and lovely. Really, really nice. Just adding some lines here and going around these shapes here. You can see how simple it is, really is easy. You put some marks down and then you enhance them. Really in the moment stuff, really mindfulness and really no worry, no stress kind of art. So once I'd finished, thought I'd finished, doing all the pencil work, I thought, right, okay, I want some sparkle, some more sparkle in my life. So I'm using the metallic Uniball pens. We've got the gold pen here and you can use any of the Uniball pens, any pens you've got. I'm adding tiny dots onto some of this paint marking. You can add lines, little clusters of marks, some outlining if you want. You could do anything you want with this. Just have a look, see what you've already got and see how to enhance it. So I'm following the natural movement of this piece, letting the paint tell me where to draw. Some marks echo the curves of the bands, some highlight the edges of shapes, and some just add a little shimmer where the eye needs it. So just adding these little marks here, just underneath where I've put that ink mark there. Just little dots, really relaxing to do, just filling up the page. So then I've grabbed my pencil and I thought I'd like to outline this. So I wanted to use what I'd already used. And so I'm using this purple pencil because we've already used it on the shading. I've heated up all of that tape and it's lovely and sticky now. And I'm just pulling that tape off the page and then I'm going to bring it up to show you the luscious mark making. So I hope you've enjoyed that and I hope you get to try. Thanks so much for watching and hope to hear from you soon. Maybe leave me a comment. Let me know whether you're going to try this. Is this your kind of art? What kind of art you're into? What your art journey's about? I really love hearing from you. Okay, well, see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.